The GEERTOP? The Big Agnes or Nemo Hornet? Perhaps the Naturehike or the OneTigris COSMITTO? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 two-person camping tents available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best two-person camping tents. The 5th product on this list is the Nemo Hornet Osmo. This tiny shelter is not only livable, but it's also roomy and relaxing. Made of durable ripstop nylon, this two-person tent features a unique diffusing light pocket that can transform your headlamp into a tent lantern. The innovative Divi dual-stage stuff stack makes it easy and secure to store the tent and poles, keeping everything organized in one place and ready to go when you arrive at camp. What's more, its high-quality materials ensure that it is capable of withstanding even the windiest storms. Moreover, with a packed weight of just 2 pounds 7 ounces and floor dimensions of 38 by 92 inches, the Hornet will easily fit into any backpack for trips across the globe. Its 2 doors and lack of floor seams make it the ideal do-it-all backpacking tent to take on your wilderness adventure. Adjustable double doors and mesh panels offer ventilation and stargazing views, while 2 vestibules provide an additional 15 square feet of storage space. Furthermore, the Hornet is the perfect backpacker's tent for activities such as bicycling, trail running, or backpacking. Its neutral color scheme and small footprint make it ideal for stealth camping. When it's time to camp under the stars, you can set up this tent in just minutes thanks to its tape seams and quick clip color-coded clips. Once you've found the perfect spot, use the rainfly to keep off surprise rain showers and enjoy a restful sleep on the comfortable floor made with breathable fabrics. Its pros are: its semi-freestanding tent means setup is incredibly fast and straightforward. It has a side pocket and a large shared pocket at the head end of the tent's back wall, providing even more internal storage. And it weighs surprisingly little, so it can be used by anyone, even when hiking alone. However, the headroom in the inner tent is limited due to sloped sidewalls. The Nemo Hornet Osmo is the master of ultralight, lightweight, and livable. This tent is an ideal choice for overnight adventures with friends. Up next in 4th place is the OneTigris COSMITTO. Are you an outdoor enthusiast looking for the perfect tent? Look no further. This versatile unit is an excellent choice for all your outdoor adventures, from camping and hunting to mountaineering and more. Built with lightweight, waterproof, and durable materials, this tent offers a weatherproof and comfortable night's sleep, even in harsh conditions. Its hexagon-shaped outer tent provides superior wind resistance and stability, making it spacious enough for 2 adults to sleep comfortably. Plus, it comes with a standard rainfly that can be set up separately as a vestibule, adding extra protection and space. Not only is this tent reliable, but it's also incredibly easy to set up and pack down, allowing you to quickly and efficiently get settled in once you arrive at your destination. Weighing only 2.3 pounds, and with a total package weight of just 4 pounds 37 ounces, it won't weigh you down on your journey. Inside, you'll find ample room for 2 people to sleep soundly thanks to the tent's advanced sealing system that prevents rainwater from seeping through the waterproof seams. The interior measures 2 by 4.3 by 3.6 feet, while the outer diameter is 6 feet 10 inches, making it a comfortable and spacious sleeping environment. Whether you're hiking to your campsite or driving up to the mountains, this tent is the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. So why wait? Invest in the best tent for your needs today and enjoy a comfortable and protected night's sleep on your next trip. Its pros are: it's waterproof and durable, allowing you to relax inside the tent knowing that it can withstand rain, wind, and snow. It has a hexagon-shaped outer for solid wind resistance and stability in the shelter structure. And its mesh windows on the sidewalls can be opened widely to get fresh air when you feel hot inside. However, the ground sheet is very thin, so it may wear out quickly on hard surfaces. The OneTigris COSMITTO is a forerunner tent for the outdoors and travel. It can stand up to strong winds and rain like a champ, and yet is light enough for any adventure. Still haven't found a two-person camping tent that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Naturehike Cloud-Up. This 2-person backpacking tent has everything you need for a comfortable and enjoyable camping experience. Its spacious double-layer floor offers plenty of room for sleeping and making yourself at home. The tent is built with a rainfly, aluminum poles, and a durable polyester material that provides excellent protection and stability, even in rough weather, with a weight of only 3.97 pounds and a polyurethane 4000 coating. It is both light and firm, making it perfect for backpacking trips. The tent's design features 2 front doors with zippers and meshed windows for incredible ventilation. The 210 threads nylon fabric is not only waterproof and tear-resistant, but also ensures fast packing, easy storage, and longer life than comparable tents. The stitching and pole structure is extra reinforced to ensure your safety during camping. We also like that the aluminum inner frame and canopy provide better stability in windy conditions, and the freestanding dome design makes it easy to set up or take down. The tent has 2 doors and windows on both sides, making it easy to ventilate and keep insects away at night. The netting and reflective guidelines add to its functionality. The built-in rainfly protects you from the elements, while the double-walled construction provides excellent ventilation to keep you cool on warmer nights. With its ultra-lightweight build, this tent allows you to explore and camp in places that others can't. It provides a comfortable and enjoyable experience for you and your hiking partner, making it the perfect choice for your next outdoor adventure. Its pros are: its rainfly is thick for the weight, with fully taped seams, and the included ground sheet will prevent rips or tears on your tent floor. It has 2 zippered front doors and windows on both sides to improve ventilation, and it keeps you safe and dry in bad weather. And it's really easy to set up. However, the included tent pegs are not particularly good quality and tend to bend after a few uses. The Naturehike Cloud-Up is excellent for outdoor photography trips, camping, and hiking. It's easy and fast to put together, making it a must-have for any backpacking enthusiast. The second product on this list is the GEERTOP TopRoad 2 Plus. Looking for a trusted companion for your next outdoor adventure? Look no further than this amazing 2-person tent. Perfect for backpacking, hiking, and camping in any season. This tent is packed with features that will make your trip a breeze. With side doors on both sides, getting in and out of the tent has never been easier. And the sturdy frame, made of the lightweight aluminum with a quick release mechanism, means you can set up camp in no time. The water-resistant polyester fabric keeps you dry and comfortable, while the spacious interior accommodates 2 people with ease. But that's not all. This tent is designed for optimal ventilation and airflow, with ventilation windows and doors on both sides of the tent. And at 9 feet 6 inches by 7 feet 7 inches by 5 feet 3 inches, with a 52-inch peak height, there's plenty of room to stretch out and relax. The mesh window lets the breeze in, keeping you cool and comfortable no matter the weather. What's more, when it's time to pack up and head out, this tent is as easy to take down as it was to set up. The steel ring and clip suspension system make for a quick teardown, so you can hit the trail without delay. So why wait? Whether you're planning a multi-day hike or a remote camping trip, this ultralight and compact backpacking tent is the perfect way to get away from it all and enjoy the beauty of nature. And with its waterproof zippers and convenient pockets for storing your gear, you'll have everything you need for a comfortable and unforgettable outdoor adventure. Its pros are: its rainfly has a snow skirt and attaches to the inner tent with quick-release buckle clips and straps for adjusting the tension. It can easy-click aluminum poles and Y-shaped pegs with rope anchors. And it has heavy-duty 210-thread polyester fabric with water-resistant coating, tape seams, and breathable quality. However, the drawstring carry bag can tear easily, so you may want to put it inside your backpack to be safe. The GEERTOP TopRoad 2 is a perfect 3-season tent for daily use, whether you need it for camping, hiking, climbing, or any other outdoor activities. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top 2-person camping tent is the Big Agnes Blacktail Hotel. Get ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level with this amazing tent. Whether you're heading out for a solo hike or bringing along a friend, this spacious option has everything you need to stay comfortable and protected in even the most extreme environments. With easily enough room for 2 or potentially more people, this tent is a brilliant option. It also features not 1 but 2 doors and vestibules, making it easy to get in and out no matter where you're camped. The Fly is designed with 1 extended pole-supported side entry vestibule and 1 quick access vestibule, providing added weatherproofing before entering the tent. And with a Fly fabric specifically developed for increased breathability and durability, you'll stay comfortable and dry no matter the weather. But that's not all. The tent body is constructed of ripstop polyester Oxford with polyurethane factory tape seams, ensuring added weather resistance in even the most extreme conditions. And with impressive headroom and a combined weight of just 5 pounds 9 ounces, This tent is perfect for long hikes and fast adventures in alpine weather. You will also appreciate that the fully sealed rainfly is crafted from robust 75 denier polyester taffeta, and the waterproof floor is constructed using 100 denier polyurethane coated nylon, ensuring that you can stay dry and comfortable no matter the weather conditions. And with shock corded sleeves for easy setup and multiple interior storage pockets to keep your gear close at hand, this tent is truly the ultimate backpacking companion. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting out, this easy-to-pitch backpacking tent gives you all the features you need to enjoy a good night's rest away from home. With the comfort of a hotel room and the compactness of a backpacking tent, you'll be able to roll out your gear and enjoy the views in no time. Its pros are: its ergonomic design is supported by 2 long aluminum lightweight poles that are effortless to position. It provides a safe and weather-resistant place to stash your extra gear or your wet dog. Its door zippers are easy to use. They are dual zippers that meet at the corner of the door, and it has an inner canopy that is mostly mesh, so vapor can easily escape. However, the vestibule attached to the tent does have a large footprint, which may be a hindrance in small backcountry camping spots. The Big Agnes Blacktail Hotel is the ultimate 2-person camping adventure tent for serious backpackers in need of more comfort. It offers plenty of space, yet is lightweight and packs down small enough to not be a hindrance. It really is the best of both worlds. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.